welcome to 707 Leahy. We've been expecting you. I'm super excited to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bath today, so follow me. Welcome home. Our 2-bedroom, 2-baths have all brand new appliances. You have your dishwasher, your glass stovetop, your microwave, and French door refrigerators. We have quartz countertops with waterfall edge, built-in dining, tons of counter space, and plenty of drawers and cabinets. If you're looking for an apartment with a ton of natural light, check out our top floor apartments with vaulted ceilings and a clear story window. Check out your master bedroom walk-in closet. Your smart home is equipped with recessed can lightings and smart switches. Hey Google, turn on kitchen lights.
Okay, turning on kitchen light.
If you're looking for an apartment with a ton of balcony space for you and your fur baby to enjoy the Redwood City weather, check out our apartments on the first floor. Thanks for joining me today. I had a great time showing you around. Now to reserve your home, please go to live707leahy.com and click the apply button. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.